Michael Church, Crawl Space Ninja. We are continuing our Crawl Space Misconception series, and today I want to talk about something that a lot of contractors overlook, and that is, should you start structural repair in the crawl space, sistering joists, putting in post jacks before drying the wood and addressing mold? Stay tuned. If you're new to Crawl Space Ninja, we talk about everything related to crawl space encapsulation, waterproofing, and also indoor air quality. We hope you'll subscribe to our channel, ring that notifications bell, follow us on Facebook, check out our DIY store, and also our franchise opportunities. Many years ago, I went to this house and we fixed the crawl space, and then I had this idea to knock on the house next door and introduce myself and tell them that we did the work on the house, their neighbor's house. And so I knock on the door. This nice couple answers the door. They said, "Oh yeah, we had some structural issues taken care of in our crawl space, but if you want to go down there and look." They were really kind, and I know knocking on a stranger's door isn't really practiced today, but this was many years ago. So I go in the crawl space, and I look up, and they had all this wood sistered against nasty, moldy, disgusting wood. And guess what happened to that brand new wood that they had installed on that nasty, moldy, bad wood? It started growing mold. So we actually had to go in and we had to cut out the new wood that they installed as well as the old wood, because the company that addressed the bouncing floors and different things like that did not dry the old wood out. They did not address the mold. They didn't put any kind of protectant on the wood to keep it from growing new mold and infecting the new wood. So if you're looking to address your bouncing floors, you're maybe putting an island in the kitchen and you're putting some floor jack posts underneath there to support that because that island's going to be heavy, make sure that the wood is dried out and there's no mold on that wood, or you can be creating a huge problem in the future. And it was way more money to redo that project than it was if they would have done it correctly the first time. So dry and remove all the mold off the wood before you address any structural issues. I'm Michael Church, Crawl Space Ninja. We hope you make it a happy and blessed day, and we'll see you later.